Great goal there. He'll be hoping to add more to his tally now. And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? What a chance! And that's a goal kick. That's to aim a set piece, rotate the camera by swiping left or right in the central area of the screen. And with the defender now. What a well-timed tackle. Oh, he shoots. Good save by the goalkeeper. Corner kick now. And that's into the... Oh, it's a clear chance. Corner kick now. Now, what can they conjure up from this set piece? And that's into the box. Corner kick now. Now, what can he do from here? And that's into the... And it's opened up here. Defender then back on the ball.